Hello friends, let's make a circuit with 555 IC, and here we will go with the breadboard connections. And here what I am doing is I am making a monostable multivibrator. As its name indicates monostable, it will give you a single output pulse, and that output pulse is for particular time, and that time is decided by the resistance which is given to the pin number 2 and the capacitor we are using at the pin number 6. Here I am doing the connection as per the circuit diagram, and then we will give logic low and high to the circuit. Now you can check other videos regarding 555 timer modes on my YouTube channel. Just go and check the video. If you're thinking like you're learning something new, please do subscribe to my channel for latest contents. And I'm trying to make electronics easy for the student of electronic, those who are studying theoretically. I'm trying to give them practical experience by breadboard tutorial or by soldering or by doing some circuits. So here let's give the VCC and the ground. Okay, so here VCC is given to this side of positive rail and ground is given to another side of positive rail. So here we have done the connection. Now you can see the output is low. We are not getting any kind of output. So how we will get that? By just disconnecting the threshold voltage. Here you can see the output. Okay, and as I applied the threshold again, there is a no change at the output. So what I have to do for that is I have to give the reset pin logic low. So what, as reset pin I am removing the resistor, it will go low and will give us output, and it is not immediately giving output, it will take some time. Again same happen for the pin number 2. LED will again turn off. So these are like a switches. If you remove the, if you apply pin number 4 the VCC, that time your output will goes high. If you apply VCC to pin number 2, the input output will go low, and this is happen for some particular time period, and which you can calculate just by the formula 0.69 multiply by R2 and C. So this happens for some time. If you change the value of resistor, if you change the value of capacitor, the time for which the LED is turned on and off will also change. This is how the monostable multivibrator or monostable mode of 555 IC is working. If you want to know like how the 555 IC will work, how to do the simulation on it, and if you want more about electronic components, LED projects, simple school college projects, how the basic electronic components having the property, their working principles practically, then please do subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get notification of the latest video. Let's make learning easy together. Thank you for watching.